bitch when I come through the fucking door. Watch me cause a fucking chain reaction.
Who is that?
What the fuck you mean? Don't look at me, just start asking. What the fuck I'm bragging for? What you asking for? On the top floor, nigga, on the 15th floor. What the fuck? There ain't no more floors. What the fuck? I'm on the top of the building cause I'm going up. Got this shit glued just like tape. And these niggas yelling out rape. But they're monkeys, fucking baby napes. Skaty niggas, I ride with skates. Man, that shit is overweighted. Man, you niggas overweighted. You sitting fucking masturbating. Cause I'm rapping like this, that I'm only rapping for Satan. You thinking that I'm fucking patiently waiting for y'all niggas be patiently hating? What the fuck you mean that I'm colder than an icicle? Boom, boom, boom. Y'all niggas better watch out because this elephant is in the brown. Vroom, just like a fucking Lamborghini when I'm sliding on the East Coast. Bounce on these niggas like pogo. Smoke these niggas, man, you know that I've been smoked. Y'all niggas off the lot, off the pop. Y'all niggas straight Papa Docs. Give me my props, I'm aiming for that top of spot. Man, you can go call the cops or not. On the block when I'm setting up shop. Y'all niggas should've called the cops. All y'all motherfucking heads get chopped. Thrown in my toolbox. Nigga said that I'm ill as fuck. Matter of fact, I'm sealed as fuck. Matter of fact, trying to take me up. Matter of fact, please don't take cause the seal is shut. Y'all niggas garbage. Garbage. Kevin, you shouldn't talk to him like that. Why the fuck? Cause when I write, they wouldn't write back. And ever since I look back on my fucking life, I didn't see where the motherfucking knife's at. Yeah, stuck it out. I took it out. Did I mean? I was tripping right now. I took some Lucy and I popped me a couple of beans. Now they tripping on me. I ain't radio play because my style ain't fucking mainstream. But if you still see me, my YouTube views, I'm still on the scene. Now you're nasty. You're nasty. Ankles kinda ashy. I seen your homeboys and they started dissing on me. Yeah, they started to blast me. But fuck it, I pulled out the Tommy gun. Watching this mommy run. It is summertime. Niggas go fucking dumb. Why the fuck you think I act like this? Why the fuck you niggas think I talk like this? Why the fuck you think I'm from the hood? Is it cause I'm good? Is it because I walk like this? Ooh, Calvin, don't get him started. Ooh, it just stink like somebody farted. Then we start off with Dearly Departed. Shitting on these niggas. Oops, I sharded. Yeah, nigga, I'm the fucking smartest. Ask anybody who's the fucking hardest. And I ain't even a local or fucking artist, but my niggas going local. You fucking starving. Now where the fuck is this Marvin? Going to another planet, damn it. Playing fucking football with fucking Janet. Matter of fact, my neighbors couldn't stand it. Got the fucking bass going hammer. Matter of fact, I got the speakers in the hammer. Matter of fact, you gonna get put in a hammer. Motherfucking whole style is jammer.